sweet. Oh, yep. Oh, that's great right there. I'm just gonna let you flow, do your thing like usual. Some close-up of your face with the hair all lit up right here.
Yeah.
And then...
Backlight?
Yeah. So if you can see the shadow of your head, then that means...
Yeah.
That means you're good. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Yep. Nice. So I'm shooting on aperture priority. I normally don't shoot in program modes, but oh, go ahead and look at this real quick. Look at your shoulder. See how it's blooming and...
Yes. Oh my god, wait. I love that filter.
Yeah, see? Have you gone mirrorless yet? Are you still the 5Ds?
I'm still. I just like haven't really like had the urge to get a new camera. When I do, it'll be mirrorless, but I think just like, I don't know, just because right now I just don't need a new one. I just haven't. Like...
Yeah, you don't need to. Very nice. Oh, that's nice. Let me get a little closer to this side here. And then go ahead and step out just a tiny bit this way. Yep, there you go. Oh, that's it, right? You're gonna shoot from down here.
Wow.
And then if I can get you kind of looking off this way. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, right there. We got all this beautiful light hitting you.
Yes.
Woo! Like this. Very nice. Close the aperture a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Right there. I'm gonna be fairly close. I don't know if you get self-conscious when the camera gets like super close to your face.
No, I'm a dancer.
Oh, perfect. Yay! Ooh, that's it. That's the shot right there. Alright, so I'm checking out this direction and I'm taking a look at the other direction just to see where I want to set up my next shot. I like this guy back there, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, gives the girls a chance to change and gives me a chance to set up the shot.
Love this fit, Kayla. Your body looks amazing.
It's so funny how like girls hype each other up versus how guys hype each other up.
Yeah.
Get a couple shots here. Oh, beautiful. And then because you know the arch is behind you, we can kind of do some shapes that are like kind of mimicking, you know what I mean? Or even just one side. Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Yes,
beautiful. Dang, look at them shoulders popping too. Yeah.
I've been doing pull.
Perfect.
There we go.
Nice.
That's what I wanted.
Is it weird if the person you're shooting with doesn't say a whole lot?
Is that a good sign or a bad sign though?
Well, I love what you guys are doing, so I'm not saying,
Perfect.
obviously.
I think in the beginning, if someone's not saying a lot, it's kind of like, am I doing it right? But once you're in the flow, it's kind of like, all good. You're going to correct us if you don't like something, you know?
Yeah, I'm used to doing a lot more posing and directing, but since you guys move so well.
Dancer in us.
Yeah, exactly. Kayla, can you check her necklace? I think the clasp is in the front, yeah?
That's what we call the penis.
It's called the penis.
The penis.
No, I've heard about it too.
I've never heard that.
Now you can make people laugh during their shoot.
As a guy though, I always got to be careful what I say.
Yeah, you're right, don't say that. Just kidding, really bad advice.
There's a little bug just right here. Okay.
What bug?
It was a pincher bug.
It was a pincher bug.
I didn't want to freak you out, so I was like, oh, it's a little bug. I want to try to get one where you're leaning a little more. I don't know how slippery it is. Yes. And then I want that, just leave the right leg down, but bend the left one more, but keep the knee over so it's towards me. Yeah. So we still get this shape. And then kind of, hold that one. And then I want you put a little more weight on that front leg, so you're kind of leaning forward a little more. Yeah. There. Awesome. All right, I got it. So you guys can move. Nice. And then we have this beautiful light on you, Syd. If you lean towards me a little. Yeah, there you go. You feel it now.
Where's my light?
And then you're the background right now. All right, Syd, you're background now. All right, and then I want to try to get both toes to kind of be parallel, if that makes sense. Yeah, there. Oh, because it looks like you're flying now. Maybe the right hand come off a little bit. There. Is it still easy to rest your elbow? Yeah? Okay, there.
Is that it?
There, you got it.
More like that?
That's it, yep. Awesome. Kind of looking around. Alright, and then if you need to relax, you can. Oh, man. I think right there is perfect because you're going to do rock over here anyway.
Yeah.
And you don't mind, yeah, a little bit of wet at the bottom. Okay. Ooh, that is nice. I'm gonna shoot low. Hopefully I don't get my GoPro in the water. Put both feet together and then bring them up. So then, yeah, perfect. And then we do one arching, just your head touching. Yep, perfect. And go ahead, relax. I don't have people hold the poses too long. If you're okay with laying on the belly and looking straight at me. So you'll kind of be off to the side, so you're not directly facing me, you kind of diagonal,
like
so we
this?
see, yeah, that way we see. Nice. Perfect. I'm gonna come back, get a wide shot. It's because the mosquitoes got you good too. So you got back muscles too. I saw that dancing. The pole, you do the pole workout too?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then your
Doing this intensely.
right hand kind of come out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, perfect. Make you work a little bit. Stretching. Beautiful. Okay. Now I can relax.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise.
Yeah, you can't see it, but you're like following this line into the tree line. That's why it's a perfect. Nice. Beautiful. Love those shots. Yeah.